Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run fast in Super Mario 3D World. To begin, simply hold down the Y button while moving to make your character sprint. This is your fundamental speed control. Different characters also have varying base speeds, with Toad being notably quicker. Understanding these basics is crucial for improving your overall movement and completing levels more efficiently. Beyond basic sprinting, mastering advanced techniques will truly elevate your speed. The long jump, executed by crouching and then jumping, covers significant ground quickly. Wall jumps are excellent for maintaining momentum and reaching higher platforms without losing pace. Additionally, sliding down slopes provides a rapid, temporary speed boost, perfect for navigating specific level sections. Power-ups are your best friends for achieving maximum speed. The Super Bell not only gives you climbing abilities, but also a swift cat dash. Grabbing a double cherry creates clones that can help you cover more ground or activate multiple switches simultaneously, effectively speeding up progress. And of course, the Superstar provides temporary invincibility and a significant burst of speed, letting you barrel through obstacles. To truly optimize your speedruns, consistent practice is key. Learn the layouts of each level to discover the most efficient paths and shortcuts. Experiment with different characters and power-up combinations to find what works best for your playstyle and specific challenges. Remember, every second counts. Also, for a different kind of efficiency, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.